Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a new Nadine West and I'm going to go ahead, I've already cut it open and we're going to go ahead and unbag it and see what I received this month. But for those of you who don't know what Nadine West is, it is a styling service like a lot of the other ones. You go online, you'll fill out a style profile, your stylist puts together a whole bunch of looks for you. You receive them in the mail like I did. You have so many days to try them on. Usually it's like 5 to 7 days with Nadine West. Styling fee is $9.78. Anything you keep, your styling fee gets subtracted off of that. And if you decide to keep nothing, you just send it all back to her and you'll just lose your styling fee, but that's it. Usually Nadine West, there's always something to keep. There's usually maybe a jewelry piece or something. So you usually don't go empty-handed with Nadine West. And she is one of the more economical services out there. And if you would like to try it for your first time, use the link I provide down below and you will get your first bag for free. And I'll get a $10 credit too. And with that said, I already peeked inside here and someone used my referral link and her name is April. I won't say her last name, but it's April S. Thank you so much. If you are watching this, I really truly appreciate it. It really helps me out. You gave me a $10 credit for anything that I want in this box. So thank you. And let us know in the comment section if you happen to watch this video. I hope you do. Let us know what you thought of your bag. Was it a good bag? Was it a bad bag? I'm sure everybody would like to know. If you do leave a comment, I will pin it to the top so everybody can see. With that said, let's go ahead and open it. I got all the tape and everything already off so I wouldn't have to fuss too much with everything. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the pieces and then we'll do the try on. Okay, let's see. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. 2 pieces of jewelry and 6 pieces of clothing. So I'll pick the jewelry out first. And these are a pair of earrings. And I'm going to go ahead and show the jewelry to you now because I won't try them on unless I really decide I'm going to keep them. But these are really cute. I don't have any earrings like this. Look at those. Those are multiple color and pretty big ones too. Oh, I like those. Is that really picking up, guys? Those are really, really pretty. Huh. Very lightweight too. Okay. Now I did take a peek on the website and I did not think I would like these by the picture because you can peek on the website too. But in real life, they're much more cuter than they were in the picture. And these are Cheslie multi earrings for $7.99. Right there. See, if I don't like anything out of this box, the $9.78, I could get the earrings for free. So that's what I'm saying. It's hard to lose with Nadine West. So these are cute. Even if everything else fills in this bag, I get a pair of earrings. So those are really, really cute. And I have another pair of earrings right here. Yeah, this one, I can tell you I'm not going to like this one at all. And I think it's broke. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's definitely broke. I'm going to have to write her an email. And it's only one earring. Okay, that is strange. One earring and it's broke. This is the Allura green for $10.99. This is the way it's supposed to look. And it's a clip-on. Is that a clip-on earring? It is. It's a clip-on earring. She has never sent me a clip-on earring, so that's a new one for me. But here's what it would look like if it was, since it's a clip-on. Yeah, that's a little bit too much for me. I don't care for that look at all. Oops. but I'll just email her. She's very good at understanding things break. I've had a bag where a couple items were missing and she totally understood and gave me credit for it and didn't, you know, like doubt me or anything. So her customer service is excellent. And I've also had the times where I've had to extend the checkout date sometimes, like I'm just running behind, or the bag. Sometimes with all this COVID-19, shipping gets really backed up, and I've emailed her and said, hey, I haven't even received my bag, and she's like, no problem, I'll extend the checkout date. So that's also a very good thing about her. She does work really good with you, and she answers the emails like this. Like, I always check my emails. Like, me sitting in this chair, I seem like I want to talk a lot, guys. I'm rambling today. I've only got through two pair of earrings, and I feel like I've been sitting here 10 minutes. But anyway, I always get up in the morning, I get my coffee, and I check my emails. And I always email her, like if I know the package is running late or I need extra time, I'll email her in the morning. And it will be like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. I'll email her, and she emails me back like within 5 minutes. I'm like, boy, you must be up with me or something. So yeah, she answers the emails pretty fast. Okay, now we're ready to get into the clothes. This first one out is a kimono, which I told you I already peeked on the website, so I pretty much knew I was getting this one. And I do love the floral pattern. I love a dark floral pattern, but I'm just not a big kimono person, but I will definitely try it on for you guys. Because maybe someone out there loves kimonos, and you could request Nadine West to send it to you in case you do like it. So I'll definitely try it on for you and show it to you. But this is a Gwen black floral for $39.99. Yikes, that price is a little high for me too. Okay, the next one out is this. And this is from Active USA. And this is a little black top. And I think this one is called the Anne. And this is just says Anne black top for $19.49. Now, I don't know, guys, that looks awful tiny. Now, you can see it's going to have some stretch on it, but I already know I'm probably not going to like this one because it's going to show all my little rolls. I put on some weight, and yeah, anything that tight is going to show the rolls, but we'll see. Okay, now this is a top, and this is from Janella Premium. And this looks very cute. Look at the sleeve details on this. That is adorable. I really am enjoying the sleeve details on that. And it's very stretchy. It's not a stiff, hard lace. That's what it is, like a lace. And I love a burgundy color, which would be really great in the fall. And I am not against getting fall pieces if I really love something. But let's see. This is the Enrica. I think this one is $39.99. Yikes. Yeah, man, she's really going up on her prices recently. I don't know. It's going to have to look awful cute for $39.99. All right. This is a pair of pants, which are very cute. A nice basic black pair of real pants, not leggings, because Nadine West is known for her leggings, but I'm not a big legging fan. I don't wear them often, and if I do wear them, it's around the house, and I will go to Walmart's and buy some leggings. You know, I don't need high-end leggings. I told her no leggings, so she sent me some pants here, and these are from Lovin'. They have a button, a zipper, very nice. I have not seen her send me any. These are like real nice little slacks. And who are these? How much are these? These are Nanice black for $32.49. Yikes, guys. Her prices are going up. I said she's one of the more economical ones, but I don't know. All right, we got some more in here. Now this one is a top also, and this is from Xenia Premium also, and this is a navy Tina for $19.49. Now that's more like it. Now this is just a nice short sleeve navy top, and it has a tie at the bottom, so that's going to be very interesting, and it looks nice and long. Okay, now let's pull this last little baby out, and this is a top, and it's very cute, nice mauvey pink, and it has these beautiful cute little crisscross details in the front, which I have a lot of already, so I don't know. We're going to have to see how it looks on. But this is from the company West Coast Love, and this one is Janella crisscross front top in light mauve for $25.99. Okay, so this is everything. It looks like I got 6 items of clothing. You've already seen the jewelry, so we're not going to go into that anymore. And I will be back with the clothing, and we'll try everything on, and you guys can tell me what you think of it. But I'm shocked about these prices. I don't know. All right, be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back with 3 of the pieces on all at once. We will start from the top and work our way down. This is the kimono, $39.99. Yes, I know that's pretty high for Nadine West. But with that said, I have to say it's a beautiful kimono. You guys know I'm not a big kimono person, but if I was, I would buy this one. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the color. I love how long it is in the back. The way, if this was like $19.99, I would probably consider it, because I would use this as a swimsuit cover-up. I think it would cover. It's very lightweight, see-through, thin, beautiful for a swimsuit cover-up to me. But like I said, $40. I'm not going to spend $40 on it. Okay, now we'll go into the top, which as I unboxed it, I knew it was going to be a tight one, and I was not wrong. This is way too tight for me. Even though it's black, it does help, but it is way too tight. This was $19.49. It's nice. It's a basic, nice black top. I would have to definitely size up on it if I wanted to keep something like this, but it's not special enough for me to want to keep it. So this is going to be a no-go along with the kimono. Okay, so let's move into the pants. The pants I like. They are tight also. We all know I put on a couple pounds. I'm working on it, guys, but yeah, these are nice slacks. I see, like, if I lost 10 to 15 pounds, these pants would fit me pretty nice. And I do like, they are slacks. They have pockets, a zipper. They're not legging like pants. They are real slacks, and I really do enjoy them. And I think for $32.49, I could probably get some use out of these. I mean, nice basic black dress pants. We all need that all the time. So I don't know. I'm going to think about it. They say don't buy for a size you want to be, buy for the size you are. So we will see. Okay, I got 4 more tops. That's going to help me make up my mind. And I will be back with the next top. Okay, guys, I'm back with the next shirt out of the box. And this was the one I thought I was really, really going to like. And I do like this one, even though this one is a $39.99 shirt. The thing that I like about it, as you can see, of course, is the sleeves. I love this lace detail that's going down the arm. I think that is so, so pretty. This top, talk about leggings, legging friendly. You could easily wear this top with a pair of leggings. It goes down super long in the back. I was thinking, like, I just have a pair of jeans on. Let me fix my zipper there. You could even like front tuck it a little bit, give it a little swoosh here and there, and that might look cute. So I don't know, maybe tuck the back in too. I don't know if I don't want the length. I'm sure I could work with this one. So this one's a possibility. I kind of like this one. I love this arm detail. She's getting me on these details. So, okay, 3 more shirts. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back with the next top out of the box, and that is this mauve crisscross t-shirt. I love the color. I think it's a very, very, very pretty color. I love a light mauve color like this. And I do appreciate the crisscross, and I also appreciate that the crisscross has like these little rivets right here, and that's going to keep them nice and straight and laying on the chest very nicely, and it doesn't, you know how they can get wrapped up and stuff. So that's going to always look very nice. So I do appreciate that about it. But I think this one was $19.49 or $25.49, and it's just not special enough for me for that, but I think it's cute. I think it would have had potential, but it's just I already have a lot of tops like this, and I'm leaning more toward that last top that I had on. If I'm going to pay $40 for that top, then, you know, that's more unique. This is more, I have tops like that. So with that said, I have one more top, and then we'll do the wrap up and finish this video up. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the last top, and this is a super long tunic top like the other ones have been. But the thing that makes this one different is it has a little tie right here that you just tie it up in a little bow. And this has like a little slit right here where I looked at the picture online, and this is how the lady was wearing it in the picture. She had one side tied up, and then this one just hung lower. So I think this is how you're supposed to wear it. It's a nice basic long blue tunic top, but just a little unusual detail with the knit or with the knot right here. And this is the way it looks in the back. It would look great with a pair of leggings like the other one will too. So I do like the feature of it, but I'm not in love with it. Okay, and I also went ahead and put these earrings in. These are very different. I know they're very different. They're very unusual. They're not your everyday piece of jewelry, but they're fun. They're fun. I have no pair of earrings that look like this, so I want to buy them just for that purpose because they're just so fun. They look like I could see me wearing a maxi dress and put these on, and I just think it would look fabulous with the right outfit. So these were only $7.99. They're light as air, and I'm buying these. And so I pretty much know what I'm getting. This shirt's going to be a no. And the other piece I'm going to probably get, which is the same as these earrings. It's unique. I don't have anything like this. And that is this shirt with the lace detail on the arms. I really thought this was a very pretty top, and it's very long, and you can front tuck it, or you could probably tie this in a knot like you do with this one too. So that's also another option. So I really enjoyed that kimono too, guys. Was that not a beautiful kimono? I mean, it really, really, really was. But I'm not going to pay $40 for it. But that's it, guys. This was my Nadine West. I think I'm keeping these earrings and this top. You guys let me know what you like, even if they're not pieces that I picked. You know, you guys see things sometimes I don't see. These jeans right here, I would have probably never bought those, but I listened to you guys and I listened to my husband. These were the distressed jeans from Stitch Fix, and I was like, I don't know if I want distressed jeans. And everybody was just like, oh, they're fabulous, you gotta buy them, and I bought them. So thank you guys. I do listen to you guys. So even if it's not this top or these earrings, let me know what you guys enjoyed, because you might make me change my mind. I might look back at the video and go, oh yeah, okay. Because what I see in the mirror and then what I end up seeing on this video is, it's really, everybody should videotape themselves, because you look so different than you think you look. But okay, that's enough of my rambling, guys. I have rambled on in this video. I hope you guys are having a great day, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fun, 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 fun.